Everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kia, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made this pumpkin. Now, I know last year and this year too, leopard print and plaid is a really big thing for everybody. A lot of people don't already have leopard print or plaid at home or any designs with it. So I'm going to be showing you guys a way how you can make it yourself on your tablet. Now this can be done whether you have a tablet, iPad, Mac, Windows, no matter what device you have, you can do this. Today I'll be showing you on the tablet, but I will also have a video that I will post showing you guys how I do it on my Mac computers. So let me see if I can turn on this arrow so you can see where I'm clicking. So what we're going to do is look for a pumpkin. It doesn't matter what pumpkin you have. You can draw the pumpkin. You can find an image of a pumpkin. But for this video, I found a free pumpkin in the images of Cricut. So what I do is click on image. And then I go to all images. Once I'm in all images, I just search and I typed in pumpkin. Then I went to this top right corner with those three lines, and then I go to ownership, the plus button, and I click free, and then I hit apply. I click free so it will only show me the free options, so that way when I see other things I don't get so excited wanting to use them, because then I'm going to be tempted to purchase them. So I only want to see what they have free. This is the one I picked down here at the bottom, the blue one, and then I just insert it. And we're going to move this to the left. We're going to move the design we already have right here out our way. So right now I'm making it bigger. And I'm going to duplicate it because one of the pumpkins we're going to actually design to be our final product. And the other pumpkin we're going to chop it up. So this is going to be our pumpkin that we're chopping up. So now what we're going to do is go to upload. And then we'll go to open uploaded images. Now these are all the images I've either made or I've uploaded on here that I've purchased. So we're going to go to our cheetah print. And we're going to insert it. It's bigger than what I need. So I'm going to make it way smaller. You can find an image like this on a Google search and get it for free, or people also sell them on Etsy and just other little places that you can purchase, so you don't have to you can purchase it. It's cheaper to purchase one of these images because usually people sell them about $2-3, where you can make as many products as you want versus having to buy multiple leopard prints or plaids in a whole bunch of different colors. So let's try to get it how we want. We can put the print however we want it on here.
Mommy.
Yes, baby.
Is the image?
Okay, have a seat and I'll get you one. Mommy's almost done. So I'm going to put it right here for the sake of this video so I can get my daughter a snack. But what we're going to do is click off of the image. So just click on the side and you're going to take your finger and swipe. You're swiping both of them together, so in the actions bar it'll come up with different things that you can do. And what we want to do is slice. You can only slice 2 images at a time. So right now it's figuring itself out so it can slice, and it's finished slicing. So we're going to take our finger off. We're going to remove the excess. Let me make it smaller for y'all. We're going to remove this excess, and we're going to take off this black part. This black part where my box is, we want to keep that. But this stuff we can get rid of. So we're going to trash it. And then we're going to take our pumpkin and we'll hit edit, arrange, send it to the front. So that way we can line it up exactly how we want it to be. There we go. And then what I do is keep it together we're going to hit actions and group. That way we can make it as big and small as we want without any issues or anything getting distorted. Yeah, and then also we should be able to change the color. Let me ungroup it. And hold on, baby. We're going to go to edit. This is a cut file, but to change it, we just have to go to no fill. So we can pick whatever color we want. We're going to do a purple one. It made that purple too, y'all. Hold on. We want that to stay black. And it doesn't even have to be black. Like, literally, if we wanted it to be gray, and do it like that. That's super cute. Yeah. And then we'll just attach. We'll group. I grouped them both, so just move them both together. And then I'm going to ungroup because I don't like how that's not as even as I want. There we go. And then we'll just group it back. This is how you attach to make like any kind of animal print that you would like on any image that you want on a tablet. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
I told you to shut your damn mouth when you said you weren't good enough. Said you were